What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another RV video, man. Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. And now I know it's been a while since I did a RV video. Now it's been a lot with this RV stuff that nobody told me about, so I'm gonna be tossing out a video about what happened before all this came about. This is like in May, like early May or something like that. That's when everything got crazy. So it's been a lot with this RV. I had to move it, put it in storage because we didn't currently have the tags. You gotta have them tags in order to have it out on the streets. If you don't, man, you're gonna be in some trouble. That's not what this is about. I just want to let y'all know it's gonna be a video coming out with that. So that's gonna be the next video that I'm gonna show y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. So this video is gonna be specifically about housing battery and your engine battery. I only had one battery, which was the engine battery. I didn't have a housing battery. A lot of RVs are different. They might have the housing battery on the side. Some might have two in the hood, which mine's currently have, because I have a 1992 Ford Winnebago. So yeah, let's go pop this trunk and check out the battery. Be right back. Go up on the head, pop this bad boy. Oh, it's already unlocked. All right, that's cool. All right, y'all, let's slip this trunk. We got right here, y'all. We got this battery right here, which is the DieHard. We switched the battery. We switched up because the EverStart Walmart battery was bad. They said it was bad. That's what one guy said, but I don't think it's bad. So I got it in the house charger right now. And this battery that's on the side, this battery right here, which is the EverStart. This right here is a 24D. Let me zoom in for y'all. Y'all can see it's a 24D. And this go right here for your battery on the side, so it can help start up even stronger. Yep, and you definitely need one of these. Not only that, this will help you start your engine up even more better. It will run some of the appliances in your RV, which is your microwave, refrigerator, lights, water pump, all that other good stuff, you know. So it's good to have a second battery up in here. And when y'all have y'all batteries in here, y'all gotta make sure that y'all taking them off so they won't die. Especially if it's just one battery, it's gonna die really quick. But I had my 24D battery inside, and it lasted for 3 days since I had it connect up together. Now, I wanna bring to your attention that you see these wires? I'm gonna wind up changing all these wires because these wires are too long, and I don't like how the wires look. Y'all see how that look right there? Like it got like a lot of, you know, when a battery with the acid and stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna change all that because I don't want no sparks or anything crazy. Make sure y'all change these. Y'all gotta make sure these wires are good, or you will have like malfunctions with it, and that's the last thing you will want to have. Also going to change the battery. That's for the negative side. The cord is kind of weak. Let me see. There you go. Yeah, so we definitely gonna change that ASAP. That gots to go. But as far as that, the batteries that's in your hood, you definitely need it. I recommend you getting some batteries and get you a battery charger as well, so you won't be going to the store charging your batteries up like crazy, because that could be real irritating. So make sure you invest in those. So let me go in the house, let me go in the RV and show y'all where the battery at. I know it's probably gonna say low, but let's see. So the battery right here, show you exactly what it's at. Right now it's full, which is a good thing. So we got to change our tanks. We got to change our gray tank. That's pretty full. We have to change our holder tank. The fresh water, we have to put more water in that, but that's gonna be another video, things like that. And we also got to get a new thermostat. That one was pretty messed up, but it works, which I'm pretty happy about, so I can't complain. Even the lights come on, so that's a good thing. I had left the breaker off, but I'm gonna wind up turning it on for y'all. I turned the whole breaker off. All these are off, currently off right now, but when I'm ready to run some stuff, I'm definitely gonna drop another video, which I'm about to do in a few minutes. That's gonna be for this video, man. I had to give y'all, you know, an update, what's been going on and stuff like that, man, with this RV. And we wound up getting 2 batteries for it. Y'all follow the guidelines of your battery, which one it can use. You know, because RVs are different. Some of them are different, so you got to be careful of which batteries you're using. You don't want to give it too many amps and then it blow your power out. Then you got to change all your wiring, and that would suck. So yeah, man, this your boy D-Bonds. If you like this video, make sure you please subscribe and comment on the channel. If y'all got any advice for me, leave it down in the comment section, and I'll gladly take your advice. I'm still new to this RV life. I'm still a newbie. I only got a few months in, you know what I mean? And that leads me to drop more videos. So yeah, man, it's your boy D Bonds. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe to the video, and we out.